Action verbs with examples. Abandon. To leave behind or give up. She abandoned the project due to lack of resources. They abandoned the old house after the storm damaged it. Accelerate. To speed up or increase in rate. The car accelerated down the highway. The company's growth has accelerated since launching the new product. Accomplish. To complete successfully. He accomplished all his goals by the end of the year. After hours of work, she finally accomplished the difficult task. Admire. To regard with respect or approval. She admired the artwork in the gallery. I truly admire his dedication to the cause. Admit. To confess or acknowledge. He admitted to making a mistake during the meeting. She admitted that she had not studied for the test. Alleviate. To make a situation or pain less severe. The medicine helped alleviate her headache. His kind words alleviated her fears about the future. Appoint. To assign a position or task to someone. They appointed her as the new team leader. The president appointed several new judges to the court. Arrest. To capture or take someone into custody. The police arrested the suspect last night. She was arrested for driving without a license. Assist. To help or give support. She assisted the elderly woman with her groceries. The nurse assisted the doctor during surgery. Assume. To take for granted or suppose. Don't assume she knows the answer. I assume you've heard the news already. Avert. To prevent or avoid. He averted a disaster by acting quickly. The pilot averted a crash by making an emergency landing. Bewildered. To confuse or puzzle someone. The complex instructions bewildered the students. The sudden change in the schedule bewildered everyone. Bribe. To offer something to influence someone's actions. He tried to bribe the official with a large sum of money. The businessman was caught bribing a government official.
Clash.
To collide or be in conflict. The two groups clashed during the protest. Their personalities often clash, leading to frequent disagreements. Clarify. To make something clearer or easier to understand. Can you clarify the main points of your argument? The teacher clarified the instructions for the assignment.